Hello and welcome back to our next video and lecture from our course entitled 5 ways to start an online home-based business. Now, in the previous lecture, you have seen the previous 4 business model that we have shared with you. Very good business models, and now we are at the 5th and the final one, which we want you to have a look at, and we recommend it to you because it's a very easy to start business model. You don't need any money in the beginning for this business model if you don't want to invest anything. So this is a pretty easy and very efficient business model. So basically, what's this all about? It's about selling printables online. And without no further ado, let's dive into the actual information. And just to make everything clear, printables, we refer at printables basically at products which are personalized, like personalized t-shirts, mugs, necklaces, pillows, and other things like that. Okay, so things that you can personalize and that people love to buy. So let's dive into the actual information. Now, which is the process of this business model? And it's pretty simple, and it's very similar to the previous ones that you have seen. First of all, you have to create accounts on all major print-on-demand websites. Well, not all of them, but some of them which are the best and the biggest, like teespring.com, Gearbubble, which we highly recommend, Zazzle.com, Cafe Press, and there are many others, but these are the biggest one and the best in our opinion. You can look for other ones as well, no problem with that, but we definitely recommend you to start with Teespring or Gearbubble because they are pretty big websites and trustworthy websites. Okay, then what you have to do is create accounts on major marketplaces where people buy different products, like Amazon. Okay, you just have to create a seller account. On eBay, the same thing, create a seller account. Etsy, which is a platform focused on selling personalized items and handmade products. Okay, so create your seller accounts on all of these big marketplaces. Then another thing that you can do, but this is totally optional, is to create a Facebook shop. Okay, it's free. So if you have a Facebook page, inside your Facebook page you can create a Facebook shop. Not a lot of people or brands are doing this, but this can be helpful for you because maybe you want to promote those products, those printables on Facebook. Okay, maybe let's say you are passionate about pets and you have a community or a Facebook group for that. You can easily sell to them through your Facebook shop printables personalized with pets or something like that. Okay, then the next step, if you don't have any experience with graphic design, and you probably don't have, like we don't have, what you can do is hire a designer or buy outsourced designs from Fiverr, okay, or from Upwork or freelancer.com. Why we always recommend Fiverr? Because it's the cheapest place to go to, okay, and it's the easiest to start with because you don't have a big budget in the beginning, right? Or you can just buy designs which are already made, but the problems with those designs is that other people are already selling them as well, okay? But the most important part, as with the other business models, is to first do your research on what sells. So you have to see which are the personalized items that sells. For example, at a specific point in time, you might find a trend. Maybe there's a new movie launching, or maybe there's a football team which is trending and is very popular at a specific moment. It would be a very good idea for you to profit from that trend. Okay, so you have to let's say be aware of what happens in the world at a specific moment, because that can actually help you to make profit, right? So how do you launch your products? Well, first of all, again, do your research, follow the trends, go for hot markets with passionate people, like in the pets market, or okay, or like programmers or something like that. Okay, decide on your products. Maybe you want to sell t-shirts, you have to see what sells best. Okay, t-shirts, mugs, pillows, necklaces, and other options of personalized items. Upload your designs, so create your designs and then upload your designs on the print-on-demand websites that you work with. List your products in the marketplaces, in the Facebook shop, again, if you have a community there. In the Facebook marketplace now, something new that we have from Facebook is the Facebook marketplace, where you basically get free traffic and free views to your product from people who are strangers. Okay, you can post in groups, so you have different options, but the most important part is to list your products in the marketplaces. Okay, then you can get sales, and deliver the products from the print on demand website directly to your client. Okay, so this is pretty simple. After you have prepared your designs, you list them there and then you list them on the marketplaces. Okay, and that's it. That's basically the whole process. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next video, where we are going to show you in a more practical manner exactly some examples of how this works and how you can do it too.